The Bible says, don't judge. This can sound really spiritual, but sometimes it's just resistance to correction. In Matthew 7, Jesus is not banning correction. He's confronting hypocrisy, the kind that sees the speck in someone else's eye while ignoring the plank in their own. So the issue is not correction. The issue is posture. Before rejecting correction, ask, am I resisting judgment or growth? And before correcting someone else, ask, has God dealt with me first?